Alright, it's a beautiful August morning. We're at the Riverbend Ranch, about 20 minutes outside of Laramie. About approximately 6 miles of both sides of the Laramie River, which is a tremendous trout fishery. We've just started fishing the river. There's approximately 6 miles of both sides, and we'll see how it goes. George has on a nice fish. Ooh, he just lost him. Jumped a couple times. He was very big. Mike's got a good one on. Mike, Mike, let him beach it in the grass. You just move out of the way and he'll swing it into the grass. 22 inches, we just measured him. Lift him up one more time there, Mike. That is a Magnum Hog. He looks like he just ate a muskrat. So, Riverbend Ranch, August 16th. Mr. G. Fay. And down there, Mr. Brown Trout. We got a piggy on the line. Oh, it's a rainbow. Yeah? Yep. Oh, it's a nice fish. Jesus. Woo! Just do like 15 seconds. Big old rainbow. Oh. Oof. Oof. Okay, rainbow. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Oh my God. Big old rainbow. Oh, he's still kind of upset with me. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Look at how fat that bow is. We gotta bring a net next time. Where's Chip? Look at the size of that. Look at the girth on that sucker. Look at the girth. 21-inch rainbow, Riverbend Ranch, August 16th. See you next time. Here comes the storm, baby. Nice work, brother. Yes.